Hi my dear children, I am your teacher Anuja from Bharatidasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to teach you the new topic from the subject EVS and the topic is World of Animals. In the last session we have discussed types of animals and what do animals eat. Today in this session we are going to see about the useful animals. What we are going to see today children? About useful animals. See children, in our day to day life we see many animals in our surroundings. They are very useful in different ways, right? Animals are useful in different ways. See, they are useful to us, then we get many things from that animals. Today we are going to see about that useful animals and what are the things we get from the animals. Okay. See children, we get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. It is very healthy for our body. From that milk we are making different food items children. See, we can get butter, cheese, curd and ghee from the milk. Okay, these are all the milk products. We can call them as milk products. Okay, this is the butter children. Butter, ghee and curd. They are very healthy for our body and it makes our bones and muscles stronger. So, we should take all these type of foods in our day to day life. Okay. Now, we see we get eggs from hens children. We get eggs from hens. Hens are helping us to give eggs as well as the meat. Okay. Hens are helps to give eggs as well as meat. See, we get meat from hens, goats, sheep and fish. See, this is the country egg. We get many proteins from eggs and meat children. So, we should take the eggs in our daily lunch. Okay, it will be very healthier and it will make our bones and muscles stronger. Okay, now we write the spelling for egg. E-G-G, egg. What is the spelling of meat? M-E-A-T. These are the foods we get from hens. We get from hens, then we get meat from hens, goat, sheep and fish. They are very useful to get meat. We see the next useful animals. See children, we get honey. We get honey from the beehives of honey bees children. Honey bees are helpful in getting the honey children. It gives honey. We get honey from the beehives. Okay. Beehives also helpful in making the wax children. From the beehives we get wax. With the help of wax what we can do? We can make candles and also it helps us to polish the furniture. Furniture means what children? Wooden things like table, chair, cot, etc. To polish the furniture, wax are useful. We get wax as well as honey from the beehive. This is the beehive children. From the beehive we get the wax. With the help of wax we make candles and polish the furnitures. Okay. Then from sheep. From sheep what we get children? What sheep gives us? Sheep gives us wool. See children, from sheep we get wool. Wool is used for making woolen cloths. The thick fur of the sheep is the wool children. With the help of the wool we can make different types of sweaters, blankets. Okay, like that we can make many cloths with the help of wool. When we wear the woolen cloths children, do you know when we wear the woolen cloths? Very good. During the winter season we use woolen cloths. Okay, we will feel very cold in that time. So, we wear the woolen cloths. Sheep help us to give wool. With the help of wool we can make woolen cloths. See children, the next thing is silk. From where we are getting silk, children? We are wearing beautiful silk dresses, right? Frock, then saris. Mother used to wear saris, right? We get from where we get this type of silk, children? We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Okay, SILK silk, WORMS worms, silkworm. These are the silkworm, children. See, silkworm gives silk. With the help of silk, we can make silk cloths like silk sarees and many type of dresses. See how beautiful the silk sarees are, right? The next thing is, animals are useful to us even after they die. If they are alive, they are giving many useful things, right? After their death also, we are getting many things from the animals like leather. What is meant by leather, children? Leather is nothing but it is a material. It is one of the material made from the animal skin. Made from animal skin. With this help of leather products, we can make shoes, bags, belts and leather jackets. Okay, they are very useful during the rainy season. Jackets and then boots, like that, children. We use shoes for our schools, right? Schools, bags and belts, they are very useful to us. Now, see, children, animals are giving many useful things, but some animals help us to carry loads. See, these are the animals help us to carry loads. What is the first animal, children? Very good, elephant, right? Elephant help us to carry heavy log. See, it carries a log of wood. We can able to carry this much heavy log, children? No, we can't carry the heavy log. So, elephant help us to carry this log. See, what is this? Very good, donkey. Donkey help us to carry the loads. It help us to carry the loads. What animal is this, children? Pair of oxen. Very good, pair of oxen. How oxen are useful to us, children? They help us to plow the field. Okay, after plowing the field, we can plant more fruits and vegetables in the field, and then we can get the fruits and vegetables from the field, and then we can eat that, right? So, oxen are very useful in plowing the field. It helps the farmer to plow the field. Okay, what is the next picture? What animal is this? Horse. Very good. Horse help us to carry people and loads from one place to another place. It pulls the cart. Okay, Gudire Vandin solluvaanga. It carries the person from one place to other place or goods from one place to other places. Okay, these are the very useful animals in our day-to-day life, children. Okay, now I am going to ask you one question. Okay, see, I am an animal. I live in a desert. I carry person from one place to another place. Who am I? I live in a desert, children. Think. I live in desert. Who am I? You have to find out the answer and write it down in the notebook, children. Okay. Today we have discussed many useful animals, right? Like hen, goat, sheep, silkworm, honeybee, elephant, horse, donkey, like many animals we have discussed today. Okay, in the below description we have attached subject material, self-assessment and question bank. Do self-assessment at your home, children. Thank you.